Seoul is the capital and largest city of South Korea. Seoul is a major cultural, economic, and political center of South Korea, and it has a long and rich history dating back over 2,000 years. Seoul is also a modern and thriving city with a bustling nightlife, innovative technology industry. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Seoul. So please watch this video till the end. Namsan Seoul Tower is a communication and observation tower located in Namsan Mountain in central Seoul. The tower stands at a height of 236.7 meters and offers panoramic views of the city. The construction of Namsan Seoul Tower was completed in 1971. It was originally built as a transmission tower to broadcast television and radio signals. Bukchon-hanok village is a traditional Korean village located in Seoul. The village is home to hundreds of traditional Korean houses or hanoks that date back to the Joseon Dynasty. It offers visitors a glimpse into traditional Korean culture and architecture. Lotte World Tower is a skyscraper located in Seoul. It is currently the fifth tallest building in the world, standing at 555 meters tall with 123 floors. The tower was completed in 2016 and is preliminarily used for commercial and residential purposes. The observation deck called Seoul Sky is located on the 118th floor and offers panoramic views of the city. Changdeok Palace is a royal palace located in northern Seoul. It was built in 1395 during the Joseon Dynasty and was the main royal palace of the dynasty for more than 2 centuries. Today, the palace is a popular tourist destination and a symbol of Korean culture heritage. The Blue House is a Korean version of the White House. It's the official residence of the Korean president and location of his executive offices. The Blue House isn't really a single building, it's an entire campus of buildings all built in the traditional Korean style. Joseon Temple is a Buddhist temple located in the heart of Seoul. It was first built in 794 during the Silla dynasty but was destroyed and rebuilt several times throughout history due to various wars and fires. The current main building, Donjon, was constructed in 1930. Gwanggwamun Gate is a historic gate located in the heart of Seoul. It is the main gate of Gwanggwamun Palace, which was the main royal palace during the Joseon Dynasty. Gwanggwamun Gate was originally constructed in 1395 and has been rebuilt multiple times over the centuries due to the damage from wars and other disasters. The best time to visit South Korea is during the spring, April, June to autumn, September to November, when the weather is mild and pleasant. Spring in South Korea is a beautiful season, with cherry blossoms blooming and vibrant flowers in full display. The weather is mild and comfortable, making it a great time for outdoor activities. Please leave a comment about Seoul and subscribe the channel to stay with us.